Picking the perfect Pinterest niche is complicated. Should you focus on broad keywords like home decor and food, or niche down to specific keywords like keto recipes for adults? I'm going to show you a step-by-step approach to pick the Pinterest niche most likely to explode, perfectly tailor-made just for you. Step 1. Write down your skills and interests. I want you to make a list of things that you're passionate about, then make another list of all the skills that you have. Let's call this your rough niche list. Take a look at this list and scrape out ideas that won't work for you. Maybe you're not passionate about these, or you feel Pinterest doesn't promote this type of content well on their platform. With each of the remaining niches, I want you to think of 10 blog post ideas. For example, if food and drinks is part of your rough niche list, a blog post idea would be something like 36 3-ingredient recipes to try this summer. This exercise should narrow down your list to a few items. Now, let's move on to step 2, which is to keyword research everything. Let's say you had a list with 7 ideas on it, and by the end of step 1, we got that down to 3 ideas. Now, these 3 broad keywords are going to go through an extensive keyword research process to see 2 things. Does this keyword have enough search volume? Are there any low competition keywords for your broad keyword? And to do this, we are going to use 5 keyword research tools: Ahrefs, SEMrush, Ubersuggest, Answer the Public, and Also Asked. Relax, we are using the free version. I'm going over to Ahrefs free keyword generator and searching for home decor. You can see keyword difficulty and volume of the first 10 keywords for free. A keyword difficulty basically means how difficult it is to rank on Google. A higher number indicates higher difficulty. I can see that home decor niche is extremely competitive with keyword difficulty of hard and a monthly volume of more than 10,000. While searching for the perfect niche, look for keyword difficulty that's easy or medium. That's the sweet spot I look out for because the competition is less, which means it's easier to grow. You should quickly gaze your eyes towards the low competition keywords DIY home decor. The next question on your mind should be, can I write 5 blog post ideas for this particular keyword? If the answer is yes, add this keyword to your list of final keywords. Scroll down and you'll see some more long tail keywords like gothic home decor, cheap home decor, rustic home decor, and so on. Open Ahrefs keyword generator on a new tab and search for these long tail keywords. While doing this exercise, you're looking for 2 things: longer tail keywords for the keywords found. For example, rustic home decor is the keyword found, and a longer tail keyword would be modern rustic home decor or unique rustic home decor. The second thing would be to check the questions tab to note down relevant questions, keyword difficulty, and volume for all the possible keywords, just to get a sense of how competitive this niche is. Make a list of all sorts of keywords that make sense to you so that you can write articles on them later on. I used Ahrefs to give you an idea of how to go about the process. That doesn't mean you should use only one tool. Like I said before, we have 4 more free tools that can help you get these results. These tools estimate actual monthly search volumes. So if you want more accurate data and better keywords, your best chance would be to use all the tools. Finding the perfect niche and keywords associated with it will take a few hours or days depending on how broad your rough niche list is and how in-depth your research ends up being. But you'll get a good understanding of how these niches perform, you'll eliminate a lot of irrelevant ideas, and you'll get a bulletproof strategy to grow your Pinterest account. Step 3 is checking out your competition. In step 2, we figured out if the niche on your rough niche list is searched enough on Google. Simply said, we try to find out if people are interested in what you have to offer using free keyword research tools. In step 3, we are going to see if these niches have competition. Checking out your competition gives you a rough idea whether the niche you selected is making money or not, and also helps you understand how many views your competition gets and how they operate their entire business. When looking at other websites and Pinterest accounts in your niche, look for their pin designs, titles, descriptions, Pinterest account themes, what topics they cover, and find content gaps that you can cover when you start your niche. Find out how they collect emails on their website. Do they run ads? Do they promote products and share affiliate links? Also, look out for income reports or try to estimate the amount of money they probably make. To get a better understanding of how popular and well established they are, use keyword research tools like we used in step 2 to see the domain authority, monthly traffic, and ranking of the website. You can also use SimilarWeb to find some more stats like top keywords, ranking by countries, and traffic sources. Also, check out their social media profiles to see how active they are and the type of engagement they get from their audience. You're basically auditing their entire online business to figure out if they are making enough money so you could too. Auditing Pinterest accounts and websites relevant to your niche will answer so many of your questions and will save you hundreds of hours of trial and error. So don't skip it. Also, make a note of everything you observe. I mean everything. If you saw 3 Pinterest accounts and noted a similar pattern in these accounts, note it down somewhere so you could refer to it later. I usually write down most of my ideas on Apple Notes, Notion, or Todoist. Pick an app you're comfortable with and start noting down everything you observe. You could also always use the good old-fashioned notebook. Step 4 is to make a list of 50 blog post ideas. 50 sounds like a big number, and it is. But by using these free keyword research tools, you can find a lot of ideas to write blog posts on. I'll leave links to these free tools in the description. And if you need more help, use Pinterest and Google searches to find more content ideas that your competition is writing on so you could replicate that. The most debatable topic related to choosing your niche is whether to choose a broad keyword or a low competition keyword. Well, the odds of coming first in a class of 100 are much better than in a class of 500. Popular niches have thousands of content creators to get at the top, while a low competition, not so popular niche may have hundreds at most. Low competition niches can work well for new bloggers and Pinterest marketers, as these are less saturated and easy to tap into, which means you get more Pinterest visitors and clicks on your website. If I were you, I would start with a low competition keyword and slowly make my way to a broad keyword. For example, I would start with keto recipes for adults and slowly make my way towards recipes for everyone. If finding the perfect niche is like a complicated maths problem for you, then you might want to check out this video on the most popular Pinterest niches in 2024. To make things easier for you, I've also shared 10 blog post ideas per niche. Subscribe, I'll see you in the next video.